Hi Aries, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for mid-month of December 2021. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, alright? So let's see what's there for my Aries mid-December 2021. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Alright. Aries, mid-December 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, Aries. At the back of the deck, we have the Six of Wands. So your overall energy with the Six of Wands is telling us that you could have won something new temporarily, but this could be a success, victory into something. Could be a victory from a bad toxic relationship, and you could be, now you are roaming alone. A feeling of being single again for some of you. I don't know why I picked up that energy, but yes, there is definitely for some. You are happy being single. Wow. Okay, so let's see. In the past, we have the Devil, the Hermit and Ten of Swords. Okay, so things were bad, not good. Toxic, yes. Materialistic, yes. Lust was there, yes. So it was not good. Okay, I feel somewhere you lost yourself in that journey, in that situation. You were finding yourself in that negative state of mind, state of situation. But you were lost. You were finding more and more yourself. You could be self-searching, but that thing only helped you to move out from that situation because of that self-realization. You were not happy and you wanted to go away from it, but you were not able to from a long period of time. So you decided to, why not, to find something by yourself. Okay, so in the present we have Knight of Wands, Nine of Cups and Ace of Cups. Wow. Okay, so I see that although you are happy being single, but still, somehow for some of you, you're fine, you're enjoying a very good time of your life. But somebody is trying to approach you over here. Somebody is trying to talk to you. Somebody is trying to, get a feeling with you, like, romantic feeling. You at the other end, you are quite, like the person who is there, who has come towards you. It could be fine, although, you are finding it happy, you are finding it very strong, you are finding it like, okay, so who is this new personality? I really want to go towards this person. You're happy for that, as well as you're happy being single. So it's time that where you are showing a lot of gratitude to the universe, you are showing happiness, you are wondering things, how could these things happen. There was a toxic relationship or there was a temporary relationship in the past, then all of a sudden again I was single, and then again this person popped up all of a sudden. So this is, you're Aries. Sorry, come on, seriously. I really mean that, whether you are really in that situation of this is a very tricky feeling where you are attracting people so much around you that whatever is ending in the past, and again there's a restart for something else. you know, it's that attraction which you are giving to other people around you. Wow. Okay, so in the coming future we have the Hierophant, Temperance and Two of Swords. For some of you, only for some of you, I just picked up that energy. There could be a feeling of putting your family into, like, you know, like your marriage. For some of you, you could be confused about your marriage, whether I should be continuing this marriage or whether I should move away because of what will the society say, what will people say. Okay, let's clarify now. It's just for some of you. I want to clarify it more, and we will see what other energies we are going to pick up. Okay. Six of Wands. Tell me about the Six of Wands, please. Nine of Wands, Six of Wands and Seven of Pentacles. Some people are tired because of this again and again, new love coming up and or new people coming up. So you are tired. You're tired of waiting. You're tired of investing so much of energies into a new relationship and again. But some of you are feeling that, okay, so this could be the one, this could be the one. You know, that feeling of optimistic feeling, optimistic approach you are putting up. So yeah, block as well as unblocking those energies, both are I'm picking up. So it could be two types of Aquarius for whom I am picking up energies. Okay, so let's see why the Devil energy is here in the past, please. Two of Swords, King of Pentacles and Page of Cups. Could be a child also could have been involved in this situation. You were there at past also, because Two of Swords has come up in your future energy. So I feel for some of you there was see, ending is there. For some of you, the if the marriage is there, for some of you it has already been ended. But for some of you, it has always been a choice. Like, you know, I cannot end this marriage. What can I do? I'm still bounded in this marriage or with this person. You know, with this Two of Swords and with the King of Pentacles. Sometimes we cannot end a situation, but all we can do is we can avoid it. We can just, you know, let it go or let it just leave as it is. We can be with somebody else at the same time. So many of you are dealing with a new person being with the old person. If not you, Aries, it could be a person as well. So yes, there, if you are asking about that whether this is a third party thing, so yes, it's a come and go kind of a situation. People are coming, people are going, and you are somewhere, you are in the middle. You are finding the path, who is right or who is wrong, you know, for you. So you are in that state. Tell me about the Hermit. Okay, so I have the Devil again, Queen of Cups and the Magician. Somehow you just give and give and give love to the wrong person, because with the Devil and the Magician, okay, so for some, only for 1 to 2% of you could be dealing with some tricks here with this is a very devilish combination. Okay, Devil and the Magician. I do not like this combination. It involves bad practices, you know what I mean. So it could have been done. So that is the reason you keep on, you know, like you are always with somehow, you are with somebody, then you are with somebody else. So, and it's really, you know, you're not attracted. Sometimes you are just not attracted from within. You just are bounded with a person, and that is a feeling where you want to go back, but you have to cut the cords between you and that person, but you are not able to. So Yeah. Ten of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, and the World. Wow. So the endings which you have always wanted, okay, so if this ending has not been there yet, for some of you the ending has already been there. If it's not there for a marriage situation or for another relationship where you are feeling that you are bounded, so things will happen in its own pace, all right? So it will, sometimes when you want things to end, they do not end at that particular point of time, they end later. So it's only the universal hint to you that it will end by itself. So do not try to put more efforts in the ending situation. Sorry. Knight of Wands. Why the Knight of Wands is here in the present for my Aries? The Hierophant, Six of Cups, and the Queen of Pentacles. This is telling me a long marriage which is still going on, but somewhere you are attracted, or your person is attracted to somebody else as well. Could be younger to their age, but yes, there is somebody who you are attracting yourself to, or your person. Tell me about the Ace of Cups, King of Wands, Star, and the Temperance. So yes, so this could be a past person as well. Somebody from the past coming back, although you are in a relationship with somebody else. So, but there is somebody else who is trying to come towards you from the past, and there could be a reconciliation. For some of you, this is a reconciliation. For some of you, this is a new person. But there was always, you have always tried to put, you have always worked on your balancing, because you have to balance your mind as well as your heart, okay? So you cannot just keep going on like that, because until and unless your mind and heart will not be balanced, these kind of so many people will come and go in your life somehow. This reading is for that Aries whose person gets involved with some or the other person, or if you are single also, you tend to involve with some or the other person, okay? You tend to just pick the wrong guy for you. It becomes temporary, then it becomes toxic, and then it just ends all of a sudden. So this is the thing. So this is why the balancing is involved a lot in your energies, Aries. You can, for balancing your energies, you're balancing your chakras, you can do meditation, yoga, whatever you can do, some self healings, okay? Let me check now why the Hierophant is here in the future energies. Lovers, High Priestess, and Two of Pentacles. See again, the energy of confusion, the energy of something is going on, something bad is happening around me. I do not know what is happening, but something is happening. This is your energy which I'm picking up. Like, the Aries saying that something is happening around me, but I do not know what's happening. So this is your energies. You have to take decisions, but because of your non-balancing chakras, you are not able to take that decision. Temperance energy. Ace of Pentacles, the Tower, and Three of Cups. Wow. This is for some of you. A new relation is coming towards an end because of a third party situation. And for some of you, it's something which needed to end in the past only, but now it's ending. For some of you, the things are ending with the third person, and there's a new start with your situation. Okay, so let's see why the Two of Swords is here. Page of Swords, Two of Cups, and Ace of Swords. Yeah, I see some online chatting. You are talking to somebody online, somebody is coming up in your life again. You feel like this person is your soulmate in the coming future, but somehow you are not sure about it. So there is a lot of unsurety energies today for you, Aries. It could be because of the, which I told you, non-balancing of energies. It could be because of that, because you are entering into some or the other sort of a new relationship which is not meant to be, or you enter into a relationship not by not accepting the past relationship has already ended. Sometimes acceptance is also required. So it's really fast energies, when you pick up new people, pick up new energies really fast before settling the past ones. So that is all from my side, my dear Aries, today. Okay, so I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.